What's up, y'all? It's your girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're a returning subby? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing a company, and they are called YALL. It came in this lovely packaging. FedEx shipping. It was super fast. I believe they sent this wig out on Thursday and I received it today, and it's Monday, so it was super fast FedEx. This is their 13x6 water wave unit. It is 180% density. This wig will run you about $241. It is beautiful, y'all. So first we're going to get into the box. Inside this beautiful orange box, like I said. And inside the box, I'll show you the contents first, and then I'll get to the wig. So they give you a rat tail comb, and I'm so happy, y'all, because I lost my rat tail comb during our moving process, and I have no idea where it is. So they give you one of these. They also give you a satin bonnet, and it's my favorite color, pink, so I'm real excited about that. All right. Next, inside the packaging, and it came in this cute little baggie right here. So inside, you get a pair of tweezers. Okay, and they're so cute, and I need another pair of tweezers. You also get a clip, which is great when you're styling your hair. You get a headband, and it's Cheetah Girls. So we got the Cheetah headband going on. You also get a wig cap, okay, which is my favorite color, and you get two. Okay, finally somebody sending out two. You also get this strap here that you can add and attach as an adjustable band. So this is how it looks if you want to add that to your unit. And you also get this here brush that you can use to style your edges. So yeah, I just love this bag, and it was wrapped all cute in this I Like Hair paint. It's just, the packaging itself screams we about to be satisfied. That's what it screams to me. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the unit, y'all. It's 180% density. This wig is so full, like it's water wave, and this is how it looks without me doing nothing to it. This is literally fresh out the pack. Then this is how it's looking. It is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so it is a 13x6, so we have a lot of lace to work with, guys. So this is how it looks in the inside. So we have our whole 13 going across, then we have our 6 going from here to here. Okay, and then we also have lace in the back, just in case if you would like to use that, you know, to do as you will, but y'all know how I am. So it does come pre-plucked, so it is plucked already, so we don't really have to go in and do any plucking. Okay, we can just add our baby hairs and all that good stuff. So we have 4 combs in this unit. Actually, we have 1 comb that's in the back, we have 2 combs that's on the side, and then we have 1 comb that is in the middle, guys. So yeah, so what I like to do first is go ahead and cut off my lace. I'm not the put my wig on, cut lace after person. I feel like I mess up more, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my lace and then come back. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the styling. Now I'm gonna take off this cap here because it's like a weird like brown, and with the unit I had on before, I really need to see the cap. But I told y'all I like to use caps because it's going to keep my braids like laying down super flat how I need them to lay. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this one on. Yeah, my hair kind of itch. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on, and I'm gonna be styling this unit with Gots to Be. All right, y'all, so next I'm gonna go ahead and put the unit on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by attaching the combs. So we have a comb there. Unit down. To start attaching the lace. You're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire concool, let's get the groove on. I'm gonna get ready to style my baby hairs. So I'm just going to take some of the hair out, what I'm gonna be using for baby hairs, so the rest I can lay it down with my scarf with this. So this is how she's looking with me doing absolutely nothing to her fresh out the box. So what I'm gonna do is just take my wide tooth comb, and I'm just gonna comb her out just to see how big she gets. Y'all know I love big hair. Again, she is 180% density, so I know there's going to be fullness to her. She is so pretty. Okay, and I want y'all to see this parting. Let's get into it. So this is, the parting is going way back there. So I'm just gonna give her a nice little side part just to begin. And y'all see my parting? Okay. So this is how she's looking with no water or anything added. And she is water waves. I want to show y'all how she looks with water. Alright, so this is me adding water to her. These curls, y'all. These curls are everything. Everything. Now we're gonna go ahead and style baby hairs. Now y'all know I have like a hard time styling my baby hairs on camera, but we're gonna try to make it do what it do for today. See if I can style it like this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just take off my paper, guys. So this is what we are looking like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out what I wanted to use as my baby hair and just give it a cut. Alright, and they did give me some tweezers like I said, so I don't want my baby hairs too harsh. So I'm just gonna take my tweezers and just tweeze some of this hair so it's not so much. Alright, and I'm going to see how that looks when I lay it. And I'm going to be using my To-Be Glue gel.
Lego. It's the original Batman.
She is so freaking pretty. So this is her in the side part. So I'm loving how she looks on the side. She is 18 inches. I'm gonna turn around to show you guys how she looks in the back. So where she hangs. So yeah, and then I'll show you guys how she looks in a middle part if I can find my comb. Alright, this is her in the middle. I just love how full she is. Like, she is gorgeous. Super, super full. So her in the middle. So I'm loving both. I'm loving a middle and a side part. And y'all, the lace is everything. Like, I didn't even put any foundation on this lace. It is so freaking nice. Alright guys, so I do have a coupon code. If you use Shay Skylar, you'll get a percentage off the units that's on their website. Listen y'all, this hair is so freaking soft and it's just constructed so well. Like, I'm loving these curls. I haven't had a water wave wig that looks like this. This is everything. Everything, okay? Listen, I like hair. Is the new company. Run it up. Run it up, y'all. All right. So if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you're feeling this hair. Y'all gotta be feeling this hair. Like, y'all can't tell me y'all not feeling this hair. I'm feeling the hair. I love, from the packaging to the quality of the hair. I just knew the quality was gonna be great with the way the box looks, and it's orange. Come on, y'all. It looks like a Hermes, if I'm saying that correctly. For y'all ballers out there, that's what it looks like. It is so pretty. All right, so make sure you turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post more videos, and let me know if you're feeling this unit. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.